Yes. Students, now we start with the next topic of what is the application of what are the uses of the determinant. The first, to find out the area of triangle, because if a x1 y1 b x2 y2 and c x3 y3 are the vertices of a triangle, how we can find out the area of triangle? Then the area of triangle equals half x1 y1 1 x2 y2 1 x3 y3 1. That is in the determinant, and by this determinant we expand this determinant, then we find out the area of triangle by using the properties or direct expansion of the determinant. We find out the area of triangle. We have already done in the class 10th as well as the 11th also. In 10th class we only use the direct formula. Now, second part, if 3 points are collinear, what is the meaning of collinear? That is the area of triangle is 0. So, therefore, if 3 points are x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 are collinear, then the area of triangle is 0. Therefore, the value of this determinant equals to 0. And the third part, find the equation of a line which passes through 2 points whose coordinates are x1, y1 and x2, y2. So let me suppose that x1, x and y be any point on this line which passes through x1, y1 and x2, y2. So therefore these 3 points x, y, x1, y1 and x2, y2, all the 3 points are collinear. If the points are collinear, then the area of triangle is 0. Therefore x, y 1, x1, y1 1, x2, y2 1. This determinant equals 0. We expand this determinant, then we get the equation of the straight line. These are the uses of the determinant in other subject, other topic like the straight line. Yes. Now we start the next topic, and the very important, the matrix also. So the topic is adjoint of a square matrix. Adjoint of a square. Let me suppose that A is a square matrix of any order. Then what is the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A, it is denoted by ADJ, A, and that is the matrix of the transpose of the matrix of cofactors. What is Cij? Cij is the cofactor of each element, and the transpose of the cofactors, that is the adjoint of the matrix. For example, if A is a square matrix whose elements are A, B, C and D, then what are the cofactors of A? D. Cofactor of D minus C, because cofactor of C 1 1 1 plus 1 1 positive, C 1 2 1 plus 2 3 odd negative, 2 1 cofactor of C minus B and cofactor of D A. These are the cofactors. Then what is the adjoint of this? First you write the cofactor of A, D, B minus C, C minus D and D A transpose. Now we write the transpose of this matrix. Therefore, the adjoint of A equals to D minus A minus C and A. In a square matrix 2 by 2, second order square matrix, then how we can find out the adjoint? In the second order square matrix, we directly find out the adjoint. We interchange the diagonal elements and change the signs of non-diagonal elements. We directly find out the adjoint of a square matrix of order 2. We interchange the diagonal elements and change the sign of the non-diagonal elements. Then we directly find out the adjoint of a square matrix of order 2 by 2. Similarly, one more example. Let me suppose that A is a square matrix of order 3 by 3. 1 2 3 3 1 2 2 3 1. Then we find out the cofactor of each element. Cofactor of 1, determinant of 1 2 3 1, 1 minus 6 minus 5. Cofactor of 2. This order of this is first positive, second negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative and negative. Then cofactor of 2. Now we left this column and this row. 3 2 and 2 1 with negative sign. Cofactor of 3, 3 1 and 2 3. Then we find out the cofactor of first, we find the cofactor of first row, then we find out the cofactor of second row. cofactor of 3. Now we left this row and this column 2, 3 and 3, 1. Simplified because cofactor of this order is 2, 1. 2 plus 1, 3, which is negative. Then cofactor of 1. Now we left this row and this column 1, 1 are 1 and 2, 3 are 6. Cofactor of 2. Similarly, we find the cofactor of third row. These are the cofactors. Then what is the adjoint of A? Adjoint of A equals to matrix or transpose of the matrix of cofactor. What are the cofactor of first row? Minus 5, 1 and 7. Cofactor of second row 7, minus 5, 1. Cofactor of third row 1, 7 and minus 5. The transpose. This is the adjoint of a square matrix of order 3. The next part, what is the relation between a matrix and its adjoint of the matrix? A is a square matrix. What is the determinant of A? Determinant of A is simplified, that is 18. And what is the determinant of adjoint of A? Determinant of adjoint of A is simplified, then we get 3, 2, 4. And what is the 3 to 4? That is the square of 18. So therefore, the determinant of adjoint of A is always equals to determinant of A raised to power n minus 1. What is n? N is the order of the matrix. In this part, what is the order of this matrix is 3. And determinant of A 18. 18 raised to power 2. That is 3 to 4. Therefore, what is the relation between the determinant of adjoint of A and the determinant of A? Therefore, the determinant of adjoint of A is always equals to determinant of A raised to power n minus 1. This is the first relation. Second relation, a matrix multiplied by its adjoint. Matrix A multiplied by its adjoint. Matrix A is 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3, 1 and its adjoint minus 5, 7, 1, 1, minus 5, 7 and 7, 1, minus 5. Now we multiply these two matrices. First row multiply first column 1 into minus 5, 2 into 1 and 3 into 7. First row multiplied by second column 1 into 7, 2 into minus 5 and 3 into 1. Then first row multiplied by third column 1 into 1, 2 into 7 and 3 into minus 5. Then we get the first row. Then similarly second row multiplied by first column minus 15 plus 7 plus 14. Second row multiplied by second column 21 minus 5 and plus 2. Second row multiplied by third column 3, 7 and minus 10. Then third row multiplied first column. By the same condition, how we can multiply two matrices? Then we get this. So this is equals to 18, 0, 0, 0, 18, 0, 0, 0, 18. 18 is common. Then 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. That is, what is 18? 18 is the determinant of A into I. Therefore, a matrix multiplied by its adjoint is always equals to determinant of A into I is also equals to adjoint of A into matrix of A. So therefore, any matrix multiplied by its adjoint or an adjoint of a matrix multiplied by the matrix, that is always equals to determinant of A into I. This is the relation between first what is the relation between a square matrix and its adjoint, and then a matrix multiplied by its adjoint, that is always equals to determinant of A into I.